Hey there, how are you doing? I'm Layla Stella, and welcome to Speak Real English. I'm so glad you're here with me today, whether you're watching on YouTube or tuning in through one of our podcast platforms. Today's English tip is brought to you with the help of our amazing friends at Verbaling, and I'm also excited to tell you about the Fluent in 15 course, created for our Speak Real English members. Verbaling is currently offering an exclusive opportunity for you to experience one-on-one lessons with a native English teacher online. These sessions are personalized, high quality, and designed to help you grow your fluency quickly and naturally. If you're curious and want to try it, check out the details through my YouTube channel and take advantage of the offer while it's still available. Now let's get into today's question. This one comes from Rosa, a dedicated learner in our community. Rosa asked about the difference between the words spelled TWO and TO, and I thought it would be helpful to also include TOO in this conversation. These words are a perfect example of one of the trickiest things about English pronunciation. They are homophones. That means they sound the same even though they are written differently and have totally different meanings. This is exactly why listening carefully to spoken English is so important. The more you surround yourself with real conversations and native speech, the more these subtle distinctions become easier to notice and understand. Let's begin with the word spelled TWO. This one refers to the number. You might say 2 friends, 2 books, 2 lessons, or 2 ideas. It's simple and straightforward. Now the second word is spelled TO. It sounds exactly the same as the first, but this word functions as a preposition. You'll hear it in sentences like I'm going to school, or I want to go to the store. Most of the time, when we speak quickly and naturally, this word is pronounced very lightly. We often say things like going to work, going to eat, or want to go, blending it into the surrounding words. That's normal and expected in everyday conversation. The third word is TOO. Again, it's pronounced the same way, but this one means also or in addition. For example, if someone says I like pizza, you could reply with me too. If your friend says I enjoy traveling, you might say I do too. It's a friendly and common way to agree with someone or show that you share a similar feeling. You might even hear a sentence like I'd love to join you too, where this word expresses a shared desire. It's really common and very useful. Now let's look at how all 3 of these words can appear in one short sentence. Imagine this: I want 2 slices of cake and 2 cups of tea too. Did you catch that? The first 2 is the number. The second one is the preposition showing direction or purpose. And the last one means also. The pronunciation stays the same, but the role each word plays in the sentence is completely different. That's what makes English both challenging and fascinating. So what can you do to get better at using these correctly? First, make sure you're listening to a lot of English. Try watching shows, listening to podcasts, or even joining group conversations if possible. When you hear these words in context, your brain starts to connect the sound with the correct meaning automatically. Secondly, repeat phrases you hear. If you hear someone say I'm going to the park, try saying it out loud to yourself a few times. This repetition will help reinforce both the pronunciation and the usage. You can even create little sentences for practice. For example, she wants to go too, or they bought 2 apples. Say them aloud and think about the meanings as you speak. If you're more of a writer, practice by making a short journal entry each day. Try to use all 3 words in different sentences. You might write something like I went to the market and bought 2 bananas. My sister came too. This kind of simple writing exercise can really help you lock in the spelling and meaning differences while improving your fluency. Another great method is to quiz yourself. Create a few flashcards or notes. On one side, write a sentence with a blank space. On the other side, write which form of the word should go in that blank. Check yourself, and if you get it wrong, try again. You'll notice your accuracy improves the more you practice. And of course, ask questions. If there are other homophones that confuse you, don't hesitate to reach out. You can drop your questions in the comments here on YouTube or on the podcast platform. I always love hearing from you, and I try to respond to as many of your questions as I can. Language learning is about curiosity and persistence. The more you engage with English, the more natural it becomes. Learning homophones like these is a great step towards speaking confidently and clearly. It's totally normal to feel a little overwhelmed at first, especially when words sound the same but mean different things. Just remember, this confusion is temporary. With time, your brain will adjust. You'll start to notice patterns, and your understanding will become more intuitive. If you're someone who enjoys structured lessons, remember you can check out my video course Fluent in 15. It's designed to give you quick, focused lessons that build real communication skills. And if you're looking for one-on-one help, the Verbaling trial is a perfect opportunity to practice speaking with a teacher who can guide you and correct your mistakes in a supportive way. Before I go, let me remind you that practice is the key to mastery. Speak aloud. Listen closely. Read and write whenever you can. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. It's okay to make mistakes because every mistake is just one step closer to fluency. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. I'm here with you, and so is the Speak Real English community. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate your time and your effort in learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below if you have questions or ideas for future lessons, and keep coming back for more. New tips and lessons are coming your way regularly, so stay connected. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Take care and happy studying.